Hey guys, it's Angelo, Christian. Thank you so much for checking out my podcast, Real Estate Insider. Today we're focusing on millennials, first-time buyers. Hey, they need a home too, don't they? We specialize in millennial mortgages. It's actually a loan program that we have for millennials. So if you are a millennial, you can actually get special loan programs that help you with closing cost assistance, credit boosting. You can also get up to 2 months free, no house payments on your home closing. And if you're a first responder, if you are in law enforcement, you're a nurse, you're a doctor, you're a firefighter, you can get up to $2,000 closing cost assistance to be able to help you with your home. And if you're a millennial, we have special loan programs to help you for millennials to get 0 down 100% financing. If you're a military veteran, you can actually get 0 down 100% financing. Or if you're buying in a rural area or a small town, you can actually get USDA 100% financing and get all your closing costs included if you're a millennial. Or if you're not in a rural area and you're buying in a metropolitan city and a lot of banks or credit unions require 20% down, with our millennial mortgage program, you can do a conventional loan up to $500,000 in most counties, and in some other counties up to $700,000 with only 3% down, guys. And if it's a multi-family and you're gonna live in one of the units, you can go up to over $1 million purchase price with the FHA millennial mortgage program with only 3.5% down. So in other words, you could buy a 4-unit, and I'll give you an example of what I mean. So in this board, you can see this, you can copy this over here, but I'll show you an example about what I mean. I'm just gonna delete this over here real quick. If you're a millennial and you're trying to get approved for a loan, it's really neat because you can get a lot of assistance that you may not even be aware of. So when you buy a house and you go to a bank, for example, a bank's gonna want, let's say you wanna buy a $300,000 home. Okay? Your bank's gonna want 20% down. $740 credit. Okay? And then you have to pay closing costs. Closing costs are gonna be about $7,000. All right, so on this you'd have to put $67,000 down to be able to buy a home if you go to a bank. So you buy a $300,000 home, a bank wants 20% down, you have to have excellent credit, and you have to have 2 years, no job gap, and debt ratio below 41%. So how many people do you think in America fit those requirements? And you know what the true statistic is? 27%. So what happens to the other 73% that want a home? Do they not deserve a home? Do they not get a home? My answer is no, okay? That we have home loan programs with 0 down, 3% down, 3.5% down. You can get closing cost assistance. You don't have to pay closing cost. Get closing cost help. And maybe you don't have a 740 credit. Maybe you have a 640 credit. We can help you to boost up your credit score. Credit boosting. Now, what I mean by that is, just don't get me wrong, because some people take this out of context. We're not a credit repair company. So if you have a 500 credit score and your income, you don't qualify for a loan, we have credit repair people that can help you, but we're not going to actually do your credit repair for you. What I'm telling you is that we can help you to slightly get your credit score up if you're not there and you have a 640 or 620 and you need a 660 or 680. We'll help you to boost up your credit score. We're not going to charge you to do that, right? As long as you can qualify for the loan. But we'll help you to boost up your credit score, right? And you can get 1 to 2 months, no house payments. Okay. Then debt ratio, we have debt ratios that can go up to 55%. Okay. So all I'm saying is that, yes, this is the plain Jane vanilla, but a lot of people don't fit those requirements, right? Other people that work really hard, nurses, doctors, firefighters, law enforcement, people that are working in shale or oil and gas, you know, whatever technology, that maybe they're on this side of the world, the other 77%, you guys need a home loan too. Let Angelo Christian, let us cater to you to help you. Okay, maybe you have a 640 credit, maybe you have a really good job and you have a great company that you work at and you want to get pre-approved and you're a millennial, you can get a millennial mortgage with us and still get a loan with only 3% down or 3.5% down and get your closing costs included. You don't have to have 20% down, and just because maybe your bank denied you doesn't mean that you can't get approved for a home loan. Now you do have to meet certain requirements, but at least let us try to help you to show you a solution, whereas most banks say no and they deny you. They don't show you the way on how to get qualified to structure the loan, to get you approved, to get you into the home. And let's face it, life's too short. You can't take the money with you. You deserve to own a home. That's one of the biggest accomplishments in life, is to be able to buy your home and have a great life. You don't need to be wasting money on rent. You can actually have your house, and we're going to help you with all these tools and all these incentives, provided that you can meet the requirements and that we can help you. So we want to help you out and show you the way. So if you're a millennial, you're trying to get pre-approved for a loan, you don't know where to go or what to do, we're the #1 provider of millennial mortgages. Call us at 832-431-6331. We lend nationwide. Our grassroots, our backyard is Houston, Texas. So if you're in Houston, you definitely need to be reaching out to us so we can help you. You can also click on that link below to get signed up to get pre-approved. We're open 7 days a week. You can call our office or click there to get signed up to get pre-approved. Either way, we're going to be here to help you. So call us. We want to be able to do whatever we can to serve you. And also, I want you to check out my next video. If you are in Houston, I'm going to be talking about the Houston real estate market. So check out my next video on the Houston real estate market. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care and peace out.